Hi, and thanks for logging on to the Daily Dvar, and there's a brand new halacha for you, and it's for Wednesday, the 14th day of November. Here we go. Really, on Wednesday the 14th, I want to remind you, maybe it's a drop early, that Wednesday night and Thursday, which is the 15th, it's going to be Rosh Chodesh. Rosh Chodesh Kislev, a one-day Rosh Chodesh, the first day of the month of Kislev. What's notable, of course, is that when Rosh Chodesh Kislev arrives, that means you're 25 days from Hanukkah, and it is customary to start studying all about a holiday at least 30 days before the holiday. So I don't know if we're going to have a Hanukkah law every single day, but I do want to give you one early now, and here it is. This one you need to know in advance because maybe you're going to go out and get a nice menorah or fix up your menorah or whatever. So I want you to know some basics. They make all kinds of beautiful menorahs out there. Little train menorahs, Havdalah set menorahs, and Coke bottle menorahs, etc., 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 etc. But you have to be, and they should be beautiful. It is nice to get yourself a very nice menorah. But sometimes, in the creativity, the menorah can sometimes be like not exactly halachically proper. Like when the design is all very, very abstract and the candles are all over the place, that's not necessarily going to work because according to the simple guidelines of halacha, although a menorah should be beautiful and nice looking, but it is appropriate for all 8 of the lights to be kind of lined up at equal heights. Now, you know the very creative, beautiful menorahs sometimes have them all over the place because that looks creative and beautiful, but really, by halacha standards, candle number 1 and 2 and 3 are none of them outdoes the other and comes more out front or more to the left or more on top or whatever. They're lined up typically in a row, and that's the way it's supposed to be. The 9th one, the one that serves all the others, yes, it should be higher than the others or in a different track than the others because it is the lighter of all the others. It's the servant of all the others. But the 8th should be in pretty much generally a straight line fashion. Also, they should not be too close to each other. They should be at least a finger width apart. I guess it's like a little bit less than an inch apart from each other. When they're jammed too closely together, they're not distinct enough and they don't show the sign that they're supposed to be showing, which is a distinct one for each and every night. So please be careful that you're buying that kind of menorah, and then in a couple days we'll start giving you a law a day about Hanukkah, so you'll be all well prepped for the holiday as it arrives. Meanwhile, make sure to say all of your Rosh Chodesh editions starting on Wednesday night and have a very good Chodesh. Bye-bye.